Okay guys, guess what time it finally is? It is time to square up our chicken salad blocks, and we are going to do them the absolute easiest way I can come up with. So we're going to take one block at a time, and I'm going to set down my 12.5-inch ruler on them, and I am going to make sure that I have seam allowance around everybody. Here's the bottom of my feet, and this ruler is 12.5 inches all the way around. We are going to take my martelli and we are going to trim these blocks. Simple and easy. This one I'm doing is Hattie. I'm not going to make you guys watch me trim up 12 blocks. I just wanted to show you how I do it. I notice that my hand is in the center of this ruler so that it doesn't move anywhere. And I'm making sure that I give myself at least 1/4 of an inch all the way around to be able to do the block. I'll do one more on camera for you, and then I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. But what I'm doing is I'm kind of looking for the center of the block and making sure that there is plenty of seam space or seam allowance around everybody, that there's no selvage on the edges, and there's a little bit here on Hank. Making sure it's straight. And trim. And luckily I had a 12.5-inch ruler. If you don't have a 12.5-inch ruler, you may have to do it with a regular ruler. This one's nice to square things up with the, make sure I didn't move anything too far there because I wiggled. Okay, that's 2 done on camera. I'll do the rest off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step in all this.